Your mechanic wants $200 just to plug in a scanner and reset your check engine light. What if I told you that you can do it yourself in 5 minutes using free AI tools? Stay with me. Welcome back to Smart AI Mechanic. Today I'm showing you exactly how to diagnose and reset your check engine light without spending a dime. No expensive scanner required. Just your phone and some smart AI tools. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get the error code for free. First, you need to know what's triggering that light. Download a free OBD2 scanner app like Torque Light or OBD Fusion. These apps are completely free on Android and iOS. Now grab a cheap Bluetooth OBD2 adapter. You can find these on Amazon for $10 to $15. Some auto parts stores even lend them out for free. Plug the adapter into your car's OBD2 port. It's usually under the dashboard near the steering wheel. Connect your phone to the adapter via Bluetooth. Open the app and read the error code. Write it down. Something like 𝑃0420 or 𝑃0171. Step 2. Let AI diagnose the real problem. Here's where it gets smart. Open Google Gemini on your phone. It's totally free and works amazingly well for car diagnostics. Type in your error code plus your car's make, model, and year. For example, 𝑃0420 error code on 2015 Honda Civic. What does this mean, and what are the most common causes? Gemini will break down the problem in plain English. It'll tell you if it's serious or just a sensor issue. It'll list the most likely causes ranked by probability. And it'll explain whether you need immediate repair or if you can drive safely for a while. You can also upload a photo of your engine or dashboard to Claude or other AI vision tools. Ask it to identify any visible issues. Sometimes the problem is as simple as a loose gas cap or disconnected hose. Step 3. Verify if it's safe to reset. Before you reset that light, you need to know if it's safe. This is critical. Ask your AI tool, is it safe to drive with this error code? Can I reset it or do I need immediate repair? The AI will tell you if the issue affects your safety, emissions, or engine health. Some codes like low tire pressure or evaporative emissions are safe to reset. Others like engine misfire or catalytic converter failure need professional attention. Never ignore codes related to brakes, airbags, or major engine problems. AI will flag these for you. Step 4. Reset the light yourself. If the AI says it's safe to reset, here's how you do it for free. Method 1. Use the OBD2 app. Most free apps have a clear codes function. Just tap the button and the light disappears. Done. Method 2. Disconnect your battery. Pop the hood, remove the negative battery cable, wait 15 minutes, then reconnect it. This resets your car's computer and clears the light. Method 3. Drive cycles. For minor issues, sometimes just driving the car normally for 50 to 100 miles will reset the light automatically once the problem fixes itself. Step 5. Monitor with AI assistance. After resetting, keep the OBD2 adapter plugged in for a few days. Set up the app to alert you if the code comes back. If it returns, go back to your AI assistant. Tell it, the code came back after reset. What does this mean? The AI will explain that the underlying problem wasn't fixed. It'll help you decide if it's a DIY repair or if you need a mechanic. It can even estimate repair costs based on your location and car model. Here's a bonus tip. Use AI to prevent future check engine lights. Ask Google Gemini or Perplexity AI. What are the most common maintenance items that trigger check engine lights on my specific car? It'll give you a maintenance checklist. Things like oxygen sensors, mass airflow sensors, and spark plugs. Knowing what fails frequently on your car helps you stay ahead of problems. You can also use free AI-powered maintenance tracking apps like 𝒕𝒉𝒆. They remind you when to check fluids, replace filters, and inspect sensors before they trigger warning lights. Let's recap. Get a cheap OBD2 adapter. Download free scanner apps. Use Google Gemini or Claude to diagnose the code. Verify it's safe to reset. Clear it yourself using the app or battery method. Monitor with AI assistance. You just saved yourself $200 minimum. That's the power of combining simple tools with smart AI. If this video helped you, smash that like button. Subscribe for more AI-powered car tips that save you money. Drop a comment telling me what car problem you want me to solve next. Remember, your mechanic has knowledge. But now, you have AI. And that levels the playing field.